Yes, now ninth question. Find the sum of all two-digit natural numbers divisible by 5. So two-digit numbers are what? From 10 to 99. Okay. So two-digit numbers are what? From 10 to 99. No doubt. Among that you have to pick those are divisible by 5. So the numbers which are divisible by 5 and two-digit numbers are 10. The next number is 15. Since it is sum, I write plus sign. The next number is 20. Then 25 plus dash dash dash. Last two-digit number which is divisible by 5 is 95 only. So this is the sequence. So this is two-digit numbers and these are all divisible by 5. No doubt two-digit number are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 99, but you are supposed to write only those numbers which are divisible by 5. So I have taken the sequence as 10, 15, 20, 25 as well as 95 up to the last term. So according to the given question, data Sn which you are supposed to find out, that is question mark. A is the first term, that is 10. I hope you can get the common difference also. Common difference will be what? 5. Okay. Then last term Tn is equal to what? 95. So we got A, D as well as Tn. We are supposed to find out Sn. Sn is equal to what? N by 2 of A plus L. I have chosen this formula. Why? Because the first term is given, last term is given. So according to the given data, I have taken this formula. So here we are supposed to find out Sn, which is not known. Even we are supposed to find out the N also. So to find N, we use the formula Tn is equal to what? A plus N minus 1 into D. What is Tn? 95 is equal to A is 10 plus N minus 1. What is D? 5. So bring 10 this side. 95 minus 10, which is equal to 5 times of N minus 1. So this will become 85. Since 5 is multiplied with N minus 1, if I bring this side, it will become divide, which is equal to N minus 1. So I will get N minus 1 is equal to 5 ones are 5. Okay, here 5 ones are 5, 3 carry 35, 5 sevens are 35. So therefore, N minus 1 is equal to 17. This implies N is equal to what? 18. So now we are supposed to find out Sn. So sum of 18 terms, N value is what? 18 is equal to 18 by 2 of what is A value? 10. A value is 10 plus what is L? L means what? Last term, that is nothing but Tn, which is 95. So 2 one time, 2 9s are 18. So 9 into 105. So yes, 18 is equal to 9 5 times is 45, 5 4, 9 0, then 4, 9 ones are 9. So sum of 18 terms, okay, of a sequence which is divisible by 5 is 945. I'll repeat again. According to the given question, we are supposed to find out the sum Sn of all two-digit, okay, two-digit numbers. Two-digit number starts with 10 to 99, of course, and those two-digit natural numbers should be divisible by 5. So that means I can take 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cannot be taken. The next number is 15 because, okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, they are not divisible by 5 exactly. So the next number after that will be 20, 25, so on, and last number will be 95 is the two-digit natural number which is divisible by 5. So according to the given data Sn, we are supposed to find out in the sequence A is the first term, that is 10. Common difference easily you can find out, that is 5, and the last term is 95. So to find Sn, we use this formula. Sn is equal to N by 2 of A plus L. But in this formula, Sn value is unknown, n value is unknown. So we have to find out n. To find n, we use Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn is nothing but the last term, which is 95. A is the first term, that is 10. N value is not known, n minus 1 into common difference d is 5. So if I bring 10 this side, it will become 95 minus 10, which is 85. Since 5 is multiplied with n minus 1, so if I bring on the left hand side, that will become divide. So 5 one time, 5 17 times will be 85. So n minus 1 is equal to 17 here. So therefore n minus 1 is equal to 17, where n is 18 if I send 1 that side. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 of a plus l. What is n? We got n as 18 by 2. A is the first term 10 and L means the last term TL, which is 95. So 2 one time, 2 9 times will become 18, 9. If I add these two, I will get 105. 105 into 9 will give you 945.